Hello my dear friends, today you are going to learn about what is Raspberry Pi and what are the different descriptive elements to be discussed on this topic, and finally the application of Raspberry Pi in the different fields of electronics. The Raspberry Pi is a very cheap computer that runs Linux and operating system, but it also provides a set of general purpose input-output pins that allow you to control electronic components for physical computing and explore the Internet of Things. The Raspberry Pi is a single computer board with credit card size that can be used for many tasks that your computer does, like games, word processing, spreadsheets, and also to play HD videos, high definition videos. It was established by the Raspberry Pi Foundation from UK. The main purpose of designing the Raspberry Pi board is to encourage learning and inexpensive and innovation for school level students at low cost portable microcomputer. The Raspberry Pi was created with the goal of education in mind for two reasons. The first is that it provides extremely cheap access to a computer, and second, it is a great tool for learning more about computers. The Raspberry Pi is powerful and inexpensive and interact with LEDs, buttons, sensors and motors. This Raspberry Pi comes in two models, Model A and Model B. The main difference between Model A and Model B is USB port. Model A board consumes less power and that does not include Ethernet port and is cheaper variant. But Model B board includes Ethernet port and designed in China. The description about Raspberry Pi board. The Raspberry Pi board comprises a program memory RAM, 2GB, 4GB and 8GB variants available, processor and graphics chips, GPU, graphics processor unit, graphics processing unit, central processing unit CPU, Ethernet port, GPIO pins, XB socket, UART, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, power source connector, and various interface for other external devices. It also requires mass storage. For that we use SD flash memory card, so that Raspberry Pi board will boot from this SD card, similar to the normal PC boots up to Windows from its hard disk. Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit is the brain of the Raspberry Pi board and is responsible for carrying out the instructions of computer through arithmetic and logical operations. GPU. Graphics Processing Unit is a specialized chip and is designed to speed up the operation of image processing. Ethernet port is the main gateway for communicating with additional devices. The Raspberry Pi Ethernet port is used to plug your home router to access the internet. General purpose input-output pins for connecting electronics components. The general purpose input-output pins are used to associate with the other electronic boards, these pins accept input and output commands based on Raspberry Pi programming. XB socket is used for wireless communication purpose. Power source connector. The power source cable is small switch which is placed on the side of the shield. The main purpose of the power source connector is to enable an external power source. UART. The universal asynchronous receiver transmitter is a serial input and output port used to transmit and receive serial data. Display. The connection options of the Raspberry Pi board are two types such as HDMI, high definition multimedia interface, or sometimes high definition media input is also called, and composite. When using a composite video connection, audio is available from 3.5 mm jack socket. Essential hardware specification of Raspberry Pi board mainly include SD card containing Linux operating system, US keyboard, monitor, power supply and video cable. Optional hardware specification include USB mouse, powered USB hub, case, internet connections, the model A or B. USB Wi-Fi adapter is used and internet connection to model B is LAN cable. The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. It is capable little device that enables people of all ages to explore computing and to learn how to program in languages like Scratch and Python. Let us see how does the Raspberry Pi works. Here is some points I would like to make you to know that how the Raspberry Pi really works. An SD card inserted into the slot on the board acts as the hard drive for Raspberry Pi. It is powered by USB and video output can be hooked up to a traditional RCA TV set, a more modern monitor or even a TV using the HDMI port. The Raspberry Pi board comes equipped with SD card. This slot permits us to insert an SD card and that can use it as our devices. The SD card is a main storage device for Raspberry Pi board like a hard disk of a personal computer. The bootable Linux operating system is loaded onto the card you are planning to use. The Raspberry Pi supports Linux, ARM, Mac operating systems. You can select one operating system. You will need to write it to an SD card using a disk manager application. You can also use other storage mechanism like USB external hard drive or USB drive. There are numerous brands of SD cards are available in the market in the different sizes. The Raspberry Pi supports maximum 64 GB SD card. Before you start your Raspberry Pi, you are going to need to connect a display, keyboard, mouse. Like as a PC, it supports three different outputs like HDMI video, composite video and DSI video, where the DSI video needs, it supports three different outputs like HDMI video, composite video and DSI video, where the DSI video needs some specific hardware. When you buy a Raspberry Pi board, it may sold with or without an SD card. It is very important specification in Raspberry Pi board because it keeps its operating system documents and programs. If your Raspberry Pi did not come with an SD card, then the minimum size you should get is 4 GB. Advantages of the Raspberry Pi is it is small in size and it works as normal computer at low cost server to handle web traffic. Now let us know about the different items included in this kit. The kit includes Raspberry Pi board. This is a Model B board with Ethernet port, mouse pad, USB-C 5V 3A power supply with on-off switch, 32 GB Samsung eVivo Plus micro SD card preloaded with NUPS USB micro SD adapter to be used to rewrite card if desired, 5-fit, HDMI, micro HDMI cable updated, quick start guide. Keep your processor cool. The busier a processor gets, the more it heats up, leading to suboptimal performance. To prevent this common issue, this kit includes an aluminium alloy case with a pre-installed fan. The aluminium alloy actively draws the heat from the Pi board, while the fan further cools the board and case. These cooling mechanism will help push the limits of your processor and increase its flexibility. Keyboard and mouse, 2.4 GHz wireless keyboard and mouse with mouse pad. Sizable RAM. This Raspberry Pi 4 comes equipped with 4 GB of RAM, which is the same amount of RAM or more RAM than many mainstream laptops contain. With 4 GB of RAM, your processor will be capable of running retro gaming setups and common computer application, media players and such more. The Raspberry Pi may have a small processor, but it is a highly adaptable little computer that can replace your desktop PC. Its function range from practical to nostalgic, since it can power an ad blocking server as easily as it can power an outmoded gaming setup. Other uses include but are not limited to printing from non-wireless printers, playing media, making time-lapse videos, and building multiplayer network game servers and motion capture security systems. I hope I have covered many points to make you to know about what is Raspberry Pi, what are the different its descriptive elements, comes in the accessories kit, and the different applications. The applications of Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi boards are used in many applications like media streamer, arcade machine, tablet computer, home automation, internet radio, controlling robots, cosmic computer, coffee vending machines, and also in Raspberry Pi based projects. Thank you.